Our next destination is going to be Rapids Racer. It's a dueling double raft slide. Take a look at that. These kids are going to go on it because I'm not going to. And yeah, you're going to get a first-person view of Rapids Racer. You guys ready for it? Woo! All right.
She's loud.
Let's do this.
Which one's the more fun?
They're both the same, they're just different colors.
Green or yellow? Okay, this one's yellow.
And you guys are doing together? Yeah, right.
They're probably gonna win since they're heavier than us.
Do you not see a competition? And by the way,
No. I said since they're heavier.
there you guys again. Here we go.